hello. Chef Tobias Cooks here with quick tips. All right, asparagus. I am in California, locally grown asparagus. So excited about it. It is in season. Yes, it is. So look. All right. We have two asparagus locally grown here in California. We have a smaller one, little baby asparagus, and we have a larger asparagus. Don't forget, wash your asparagus and you want to cut about the bottom part of it. Yes, all right. So listen, roast your asparagus, roast it, olive oil, minced garlic, a little kosher salt, and white pepper. Yes, when you roast it, you can add it to your bagels. Cream cheese bagel, great source nutrition in the morning time. Also, you can make a little fresh little salad. I have here carrot, apple, a steamed asparagus with some shallots, a little lemon juice, and a little orange juice. Great acidity, good way to go. Another thing, when you roast it, you want to roast it bechamel sauce, white sauce, Alfredo cheese sauce. That's just what it is. All right, roast it up real good. Put it on top of there. Got a little lemon for that going on right here. Put it on a nice little plate, and right here, voila. You can serve this with your chicken. You can serve it with beef. You can serve it with salmon, grilled shrimp, and also my favorite, lamb chops. Yes, so don't forget, us here in California, we have local asparagus. Take advantage of it. It is still in season. Yes, go ahead, roast your asparagus. You can use it for your salads. You can roast it, then put it in a blender and make a delicious soup with it. Or you could roast it and use it in your tacos. Yes, all right. Chef Tobias Cooks, cooking with asparagus. All right, see you next week.